You're sick of paying $10 for a nice coffee? Let's make one together. And it's not gonna cost an arm and a leg. So you need to have 2 cups. One is for your actual iced coffee and this one's for the hot coffee we're gonna do first. I'm trying to drink less caffeine, so I'm on decaf. So I'm gonna put 2 of those in there. I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Raw sugar. Sorry guys, the brain is not braining today. Then we're gonna add a bit of hot water. Now, not too much. Maybe something like that. And we're just gonna whisk that if this thing actually starts to work. Oh my god. Okay, round 2. We whisk that up. Woo! This thing was $3.50 and now I know why. I used the wrong size batteries, like they're too small for it. Really fill it up. So, yeah. Maybe that's enough. Then I'll just pour that over the top. And I got this cup in freaking Kmart for $1. $1, like a straw would cost that much. I don't get it. Like Kmart, pop that on. Cheers.